afternoon to all of you. Today I'm going to tell you a very interesting and small story. I hope you like my story. My story name is Gautam Buddha. Once Gautam Buddha was traveling town to town with his few of followers. While they were going, they had passed the lake. They stopped and Buddha told one of his followers, "I'm very thirsty, please give me some water." And the follower go to the lake and he noticed that people were washing clothes. As he noticed,
to all of you. Today my topic is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So today I'll tell you a story when Hazrat Musa alayhi salam told to Allah, Allah, is someone more precious than me? Then Allah told Musa, there is one person, his name is Muhammad, he is most precious of all. Then Musa alayhi salam told, who is Muhammad? Allah told, he is the last Nabi of Islam. I made the earth, I made the moon, I made the planets, I made the universe, I made the water, I made the wood, I made the food, I made everything for him, even all Nabis for him. So one day after the Jummah Namaz, I was going to home. Someone told me, if you want to die, what will be your reactions? I told, my reactions will very good. Then he told, why? I told, if I will die in grave, I will get a chance to see Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you.
hello friends, I hope you all are fine. Today I am telling you a very small and interesting story. My story name is Gautam Buddha. Once Gautam Buddha was traveling town to town with his few followers. While they were traveling, they had passed a lake. They stopped here. The Gautam Buddha told to one of his followers, "I am very thirsty. Please give me some water from this lake." The follower go to the lake and he said that some people were washing clothes and right that moment a bull cart started cross the lake. The follower told, how I can give this water to Gautam Buddha? It is not good for drink. The follower come back and told to Gautam Buddha, the water was very muddy. I think it is not good for drink. Gautam Buddha told, no problem. Okay, let's take a little rest. They take a little rest. After some time, Gautam Buddha told to the same follower, please give me some water. The follower go to the lake and he said the lake was very clean. And the follower collected some water and he gave to the Gautam Buddha. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. Today my topic is on Aram. His name is Kim Namjoon, also known as Aram, the leader of the group BTS. Last November, BTS launched the Love Myself campaign with the UNICEF building our belief that the true love firstly began with loving myself. I would like to begin by talking about herself. He was born in Ilsan, a city near Seoul, South Korea. It's a very beautiful place with lake, hills and even and flower festival. He spent a very happy childhood there. He was judged as an ordinary boy and he used to look up at the night sky wonders and he used to dream a dream of boy. He could imagine that he was a superhero who could save the world. In an interview, one of his early albums, there's a line that says, his heart stopped when he was maybe 9 or 10. Looking back, he thinks that when he began to worry about what others people thought of him. He stopped looking up at the night sky, the stars. He stopped daydreaming. He just tried to jam herself into modes that the other people make. Soon, he just used to shut out her own voice and started listening to the voices of others. So like this, they all lost their names. And they have one thing, that was music. There was a very little voice inside of him that said, wake up man and listen to yourself. After making a decision to join BTS, there's a lot of hurdles. Some people must not believe in and some people and many people asked. We were hopeless. And he just wanted to begin quiet. Then he think that he was very lucky because he did not give it up all. Then BTS became an artist and performing in those huge stadiums. And he used to ask one thing, that I am who? I am all with my faults and mistakes. He was an artist and an idol from a small town in Korea. Thank you.